Okay, so I'm not sure if any of my viewers have seen this, but this is the Spirit of Union Pacific. It's a SD70AH, and it's number 1943, and this is honestly one of my favorite locomotives ever. Well, it is my favorite. And so yeah, you got the cab up there, then the model number right there. Then you got the red, white, and blue stripes, the generic Union Pacific flag, and then the camouflage. And back here is it was its helper unit from to get to Omaha. As you see back there, that's TD Ameritrade Park, where the College World Series are. Then you can see back there, there's the Heritage Fleet cars. And also, about 10 minutes ago, this guy gave me this hat, and it says Heritage Fleet Operation Pride of Union Pacific. So yeah, I just wanted to make a short, quick little video. Let me go around to the front. Here's the nose of it, and like I'm going to put in some photos, but like the perspective of me compared to the locomotive, I am like a little small ant. But so yeah, that's it for this video, and goodbye.